Hello South Africa. Today is Thursday, May 19, 2022, and here is Lifestyle Highlight. Pageant wars, Mrs. South Africa under fire after misusing charity funds. In July 2021, Mrs. South Africa 2020 finalist, Chandra Gusinjube claimed that she was bullied into making money for the organization, adding that she spent 1.8 million rand on organizing functions and acquiring sponsorships, etc. Almost a year later, Gusinjube has won a court battle against Mrs. South Africa's women empowerment charity Women for Women for access to its financial records. As per Sunday Times, after Gusinjube studied the records, she found that the finances were used for personal reasons, including birthday parties. Where it all began. Speaking to City Press in 2021, Chandra Gusinjube claimed she was treated like a slave and a fool by the Mrs. South Africa owner, Joannie Johnson. She further claimed that Women for Women, which is directed by Mrs. South Africa 2022 winner Cindy Nell Roberts, is an army camp. Gusinjube approached the Western Cape High Court for assistance when Cindy Nell Roberts refused to give up the Women for Women financial records for 2019, 2020 and 2021. Women for Women funds used for personal expenses. After she was given access to the funds, Gusinjube found that the Women for Women funds were used for personal purposes, including school fees, a personal trainer and a birthday party for Nell Roberts' daughter. Ms. Nell Roberts, it was said, has admitted making numerous payments for personal expenses, which she alleges were made erroneously from the respondent's bank account, said Judge BP Mantame in his judgment. Please subscribe for more news updates. This is Leah for the South African.